Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to load data from Qlik Qvd file into the database. For this particular example, I will be using SQL Server database as a target, but the same principle applies to all the databases. So here we have Qvd file. You can see the data. By the way, you can use our QI Qlik Qvd data editor to view the file content. It is free and can be downloaded from our website. Qvd is a rather complex file, and the main problem for us was that there is no official documentation for it. So we literally had to use binary editor to figure out how it all works. Basically, it has three parts. So it has XML header, which describes the file. Then for every fields, it holds a unique list of values. And then it has like binary map, for example. If you have yes, no, and null, you only need 3 bits, 2 bits actually, to store all the data. So depending on how many distinct values you might have different lengths in bits for this particular field. Anyway, let's move to loading data. Let me close it. I have already created source connection directory and also created connection for SQL Server. It might take a while to open. Yeah, here it is. So let's start from creating a new transformation. We call it Qvd to database. So we're just not going to use the validator. And let's say that our source type is Qvd file and connection name is source. We select the file, it is, and we can see the data. It's just auto formatted. It's more convenient. One note on date fields. Those date fields are rather interesting because for us human, we can see dates in different format, but actually for computers they're stored as numbers. Let me show it to you. See, if I just click in no format, see, it is actually a number. Sometimes the format can be inconsistent, so it can be very confusing. So if you have this kind of problems, please go to our support forum and ask for help. We'll do our best to assist you. So anyway, let's define writer properties. So connection type is SQL Server, demo, and the table name would be leads, no, people. Yeah, people. Let's truncate it first. Truncate table. And now we are ready to do our mapping. Just use automap. Just one note on the date field. See this format. So we have year, month, day, and time after that. This is called standard DBC format. If your data is already on this format, it should be ready for loading data into date field. If your format is different, you need to use a reformat function. It's called reformat date. I will edit to transformation as example, but in our case, see, this is what I mean by DBC format. You don't really need it. Let's preview it. Actually, it's wrong function. So we should be using date format function. Yeah, sorry. Just check. Okay, the format is fine. Let's preview it. You see, you can't see any changes. So let me remove it because we don't actually need it. And now we can run the transformation by pressing the green arrow. Okay, let's check if we actually have the data. So here's our data. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any challenges regarding transforming your data or want us to help you with automating working with data, please go to our support forum and ask for assistance. We'll do our best to help you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.